Welcome to our video on bandages. In this presentation, we'll explore what bandages are, their types, and their specific uses. Here's what we'll cover. An introduction to bandages. The different types of bandages they are. Retention bandages. Support and compression bandages. Medicated bandages. A bandage is a piece of soft, usually absorbent gauze or other material applied to a limb or any other part of the body as a dressing. Bandages are used to cover a wound or dressing, keeping it in place and providing protection. Let's discuss retention bandages. Retention bandages are primarily used to hold dressings in place. There are two main types, non-stretched fabric and stretched fabric bandages. Non-stretched fabric bandages further divided into triangular calico bandage, Domit bandage, open wove bandage. Stretched fabric bandages subdivided as cotton conforming bandage, polyamide and cellulose contour bandage. In healthcare, bandages are essential for supporting injuries and protecting wounds. Today, let's explore types of non-stretched fabric bandages. First, the triangular calico bandage. This is a triangular-shaped piece made from unbleached cotton in a plain weave. It's clean and free from weaving defects and free from cotton leaves and shells. Its main use is it serves as a sling to support injured arms or hands. Remember, if this bandage will touch broken skin, it should always be sterilized before use. Next, the Domit bandage. It's made using a plain weave fabric with cotton warp threads and wool weft threads. This type is mostly used in orthopedic care, where extra protection, warmth, and support are crucial. We have the next one, open wove bandage, also known as the cambric bandage. This bandage consists of cotton cloth woven in a plain weave pattern. Its main uses include protecting and retaining absorbent dressings, offering support for minor strains and sprains, and securing splints. There are three types of open wove bandages. Type 1, open weave bandage, suitable for basic needs. Type 2, medium quality bandage, offering moderate durability. Type 3, hospital quality bandage, designed for professional medical use. Next is the stretched fabric retention bandage. This bandage is made from stretchable fabric, which makes it perfect for holding dressings in place on moving parts of the body and providing gentle support. Next we have the cotton conforming bandage. It is made of plain weave cotton cloth, specially treated to be elastic along both the wrap and weft directions. This feature allows it to conform closely to body shapes, ensuring comfort and better support. Cotton conforming bandages are used to protect dressings and hold them in place, especially in difficult positions such as joints. Polyamide and cellulose contour bandages, also known as nylon and viscose stretch bandages, are made from fabric in plain weave that contains a wrap of polyamide filament and a weft of cotton or viscose. The edges of these bandages are fastened with continuous length, providing secure and adjustable retention. Types of bandages for retention on limbs, trunk, and abdomen are elasticated tubular bandage, foam-padded elasticated surgical tubular stockinette. Support and compression bandages are specially designed to provide external pressure and stability to injured or strained body parts. These bandages help reduce swelling, improve blood circulation, and support joints and soft tissues. As a result, they aid in recovery and help relieve pain. Why are they important? By offering support and compression, these bandages help minimize further injury and promote healing, making them essential tools in first aid and sports medicine. Support and compression bandages are subdivided into four main types. Crepe bandage, cotton crepe bandage, cotton stretch bandage, elastic adhesive bandage. A crepe bandage is a versatile, elastic bandage, usually made from cotton blended with elastic fibers. It provides light to medium support, compression, and protection for minor injuries like sprains, strains, and swelling. It's often used for correctional purposes and as compression over paste bandages, especially helpful for conditions like varicose veins. Cotton crepe bandage is made from plain weave fabric, where the warp threads are crepe twisted cotton and the weft threads are cotton or rayon. its uses are the same as a regular crepe bandage, offering flexible support and gentle compression for various injuries. Cotton stretch bandage is also a plain weave fabric, with crepe twisted cotton warp threads and cotton weft threads, but it provides a bit less stretch than the cotton crepe bandage. Just like the others, it's used where support and compression are needed. The elastic adhesive bandage. It is a woven fabric elastic bandage made from cotton and rayon threads, with an adhesive mass containing zinc oxide. Uses: provides compression for chronic leg ulcers. Offers support and compression for fractured ribs, clavicles, as well as swollen or sprained joints. Next are medicated bandages, which are specially formulated with medicinal substances. These are further divided into 4 main types. Zinc paste bandage, zinc paste and ethambutol bandage, zinc paste and coal tar bandage, plaster of Paris bandage. Medicated bandages are specialized bandages that contain active medicinal agents such as silver, iodine, or antibiotics. These agents help promote wound healing and provide a protective barrier against infection. They combine the mechanical protection of standard bandages with the pharmacological effects of topical medication, enhancing treatment outcomes for various conditions. Zinc paste bandage is made from cotton fabric of plain weave, impregnated with a paste containing zinc oxide. Since it requires extra support, an additional bandage is needed on top. Example: zinc band. Uses: treats skin disorders, including leg ulcers, chronic dermatitis, and varicose eczemas. Next one is zinc paste and ethambutol bandage. This bandage uses cotton fabric impregnated with a paste containing ethambutol and zinc oxide. Examples: Ichabad, paste. Uses: treats skin disorders, including leg ulcers, chronic dermatitis, and varicose eczemas. The next type is zinc paste and coal tar bandage. Here, the cotton fabric is impregnated with a paste of coal tar and zinc oxide. Examples: tar band, coal tar paste. Uses: useful in treating skin disorders such as leg ulcers, neurodermatitis, and chronic vesicular eczemas. The last one is plaster of Paris bandage. This type consists of cloth impregnated with dried calcium sulfate and adhesives, keeping the calcium sulfate adhered to the fabric. Uses: immobilization and splinting of fractures. Construction of body support devices. Frequently used in orthopedic surgery for immobilization, support, and correctional splinting. Thank you for watching. For more educational content, don't forget to like and subscribe.